Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. So before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want more important questions of mathematics, you can visit our website which is education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of this video. So how you can get the courses? See, you have to visit the website education-adda.com, then go to menu options and select academics adda. There you will get math important questions. Okay. Coming back to the given problem, see what is given here. A data from US census is given regarding males and females earning. Okay, and we have to calculate female to male earning ratio for each of the given years and then enter the ratio in this table. Okay, and we have to round the final values to 3 decimal places. So how we can calculate the ratios? See, ratio can be calculated as female to male earnings will be equal to female earnings divided by male earnings. Okay, so you can see this table. This is given as earnings of female. This is number of females. This is earning of males, and this is number of males. Okay, but simply we have to divide earnings of female divided by earning of males. So from that formula, we can calculate the ratio for different years as below. So you can see here, simply we have added this row, this column, and here we have calculated the ratio as, see, this is earning of females. So it will be 8,523 divided by earning of males is given as 20,239. So 8,523 divided by 20,239, it will be equal to 0.421 after rounding to 3 decimal places. Okay, this is for the year 1948. Similarly, for the year 1950, we can see that earning of female is 8,050 while earning of males is 21,709. So we can calculate simply by dividing the earning of females by earning of males, and the value will be 0.371. Similarly, for other years also we can calculate the same way, and the value we will get for 1960 will be 0.309. For 1970 we will get as 0.335. For 1980 we will get as 0.393. For 1990, we will get this ratio as 0.496. Similarly, for 2000, 2010, 2012, you can calculate, and the values of for 2013 year, it will be equal to 0.626. So in this way, we can calculate the ratio of female to male earnings. Okay, friends. So in this lecture, we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.